It was breaking the 8, and now 8 has won. NDC has won the coming election. Listen to me. Both the presidential and the parliamentary.
It will never and ever change. I believe the God who called me. Yes. And I believe Christ who I am what? Serving. That my prophecy concerning what this year election will not fail.
Warrior prophet.
I'm not the day. It is not going to fail. Amen.
Amen.
All the hula going on social media about what they put opposition. The day of the election, something will happen.
Okay.
Ntakwa kese bi ekoso ewo edifo no muntem ewo Ghana na edifo na ntakwa no ekoso muntem no Prophet Bernard da Spirit Life Revival Ministry ano enafe yebra peni Prophet Paul Kusi Apia dona efre no Warrior Prophet na ehina ntakwa no efri ba ntakwa no nyina efri enkom sha omahye afa abato a yebabatu yi eni nia obedi kan anase de obey the next president of Ghana eno hu entokwa na ekoso na ebusunya ha wa ntokwa ni frase eni pempeso a bedui pese me di emu nchiremu ebro ti mesese ne demu a subscribe ema me page we ne mi adoma no so se na me upload bia so na on sabet maka na afin so no kai say obe follow me all the social media platforms so ne nyina too much gh ebusunya ye be kai say Prophet Bernard den concept bi beto abontin wo chese dayeso a ono eso ye enti wutie ni ye a enye nkom hye na emu no ochiem say dayeso a oso ye ni ye say oman pani bi a watena so pen okono osan ebebiem wentumi ambodin wentumi ankyeremu but kasa kwan na oka ne kire say na ye papa John Mahama eho asem na oka later ba bontin be kire say ombodin ye onka say John Mahama onka say MPP anase NDC na emum no oman pani bi a watena so pen wo free so no ono na osan ebebiem ebusunya ne koda nchen Prophet Paul Kusi Apia nso be kire mu say ode ne nkwa etoso say onyame bi neni ema ne hu say Dr. Baumia na be the next president of Ghana ebusunya nyina enkoda nchen enra EC etenase balloting ema all the presidential candidates omo ye independent candidate any one e kan nyina na enipa na modoso de but nkofo 13 na EC omo intenra EC declare nkofo a omagi omatum say ombe contest for 2024 abato no na edin a EC de beto abontini.
After the end of a thorough review process, I have the honor to present to you the presidential candidates who qualified to contest the 2024 presidential election. We had 13 candidates who qualified to contest the 2024 presidential elections. And we have Mr. Mahama of the NPP, Mr. John Dramani Mahama of the NDC, Alan Kojo Chairmanting, an independent candidate, Christian Kwabena Andrews of the Ghana Union Movement, Daniel Augustus Latte Jr. of the Great Consolidated Popular Party, Mr. George Chumberi Maidu, an independent candidate, Nana Kwame Bediako, an independent candidate, Mr. Hassan Ayariga, All People's Congress, Mr. Kofi Akpaloo of the Liberal Party of Ghana, Mekwe Donkom of the Ghana Freedom Party, Mr. Kofi Kranting, an independent candidate, Nana Akosua Frimpong Kamakama of the Convention People's Party, and Mohammed Frimpong of the National Democratic Party. The candidates who were disqualified after the thorough review process are Mr. Samuel Apia Dankwa, an independent candidate, Miss Janet Nabila, an independent candidate, Mr. Desmond Abifa, an independent candidate, Nana Jepong Stevens, an independent candidate. Mr. Paul Peko, an independent candidate. Mr. Bernard Mona of the People's National Convention. James Kwesi Opong, an independent candidate. Mr. Samuel Sapong Ankra, an independent candidate. Mr. Niamudabu, an independent candidate. And Mr. Asamoah Siang of the Progressive People's Party. It is important to note that the candidate for the Progressive Alliance for Ghana, Mr. John Kweku Pipi, withdrew his nominations after the filing process.
Edia isi de beto abonten ene dibra obi enyae ana number obia etoso no ena akofa ensemaba. Number 1, amafo chirem say number 1 no echire nkunimdie because MPP ebeda number 1. Ebi the number 3, but NDC ekoto number 8. Ah na amafo chirem say
aniama bi owa ya osofukum chacha men shadent ase. Edu abato se ya na obi e chire na dwen wo a wutifie wo chire wadwen obi owo ni ba bia to me chire na dwen sofukum chacha nko a ko chire na dwen na sofo ko chire na dwen a yensi na bo na yenku no menti ase me wo wono manwumre ya na radio station be 4 efre me say yisi onwa wa peki wono ode onwa betoto na John Mahama a eye NDC for akoda number 8 na 8 no asechire ne sen ana me kire won say 8 no asechire ne say John Mahama obetwa 4 years 4 years na obetwa ye no wanwie na adwuma no e kan 4 years 4 plus 4 eye 8 18 wakonya 8 no ana 8 eye perfect 8 eye change 8 eye nkunimdie eti se obi enya number 8 ya eye nkunimdie a oba bedie ana yenuanom MPP for say breaking the 8 eti se 89 John Mahama akonya no odi ya stop say breaking the 8 no 89 John Mahama akoda no odi ya stop at distress say breaking the 8 no wey eyesofukum chacha madwen chele sabe me medi watem me meyew wa wutifie kora anso to me chele wadwen
and the bisu chirem say Mahama nya 8 dia that means say MPP form person break 8 no omutu break because Mahama atone chalk ebusia Bernard afi odin chiremu na ba say number 8 na oka no John Mahama.
It was breaking the 8, and now 8 Alpha. It was breaking the 8, and now 8 Alpha. Okay, let me say for the last time. It was breaking the 8, and now 8 has won. NDC has won the coming election. Listen to me. Both the presidential and the parliamentary. This is my final statement on the election by the grace of God. This is my final statement on the 7th December election, that it was breaking the 8, and now 8 has won. His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama will become the president of Ghana after the 7th December election. And NDC has already won majority in parliament.
We na sofu kusi apia HS who born dog or the name kwatoso or the nasaro toso say Dr. Mahama and the next president of Ghana.
And it is confirmed in the realms of the spirit.
Amen.
It will never and ever change. I believe the God who called me.
Yes.
I believe Christ who I am what? Serving. That my prophecy concerning what this year election will not fail.
Warrior prophet.
I'm not in there. It is not going to fail.
Amen.
All the hullabaloo going on social media about what they put opposition. The day of the election, something will happen. I tell you, I'm more than sure, and I believe the God that I'm serving. 2 meters. And I tell you, don't insult me. Nobody is insulting those who have prophesied against what? The ruling government. So why are you insulting me because I have prophesied what for the ruling government? Nobody has given me anything to be with them. No, it's not me. I'm doing my ministry. You're not sorry. But I tell you, when I started over Baumia, everybody thinks that what I was saying will backfire. But right now, a lot of prophets are seeing it. And I'm still affirming it to everyone that Baumia will bring everybody knows that my mom is what? A great NDC party. And you don't want even MPP to even continue. Very close to Nana Kwesi. But I'm telling what God is telling me. Even today when I came here, the Lord still affirmed it to me that MPP will break the law. Don't joke with what my prophecy. When I see a lot of people insulting me on social media, hey, a come prophet, prophet. Okay, we shall see. You will know the true prophet of the land. And this election is going to expose a lot of prophets who prophesied then for Nana to visit. Also, when Pamone, we can see what the money no, saying I asked now. Also, when you are going to fail because God has not rejected MPP at what we think. Sir. We are one people is so long, and yes, I know when the name is less. So they should continue insulting me and still affirming it by telling you that MPP will break the 8. You will see when the results starts coming. You will see that I'm a man of God.
Say 970 there was a yarn say I was a young train. Yenum nsuo ntwen ope. Yen keep your fingers crossed. Nye hu say one na odi for no. One na hu yi. If there's going to be any changes in the spirit, there soon ebebem. And I say niswadi hunu ne bebem. Ebusuya I too much G8. Mess send them obeja comment wa se wono na fe subscribe page with me adoma no so. Send me upload ya so na o sabeti maka.